Welcome to the Downloading an App from the App Store to your iPhone course. In this course, you'll learn how to get a podcast app from the Apple App Store. A podcast is like a radio show, but instead of listening to it live, like normal radio, you can listen to episodes at any time you like. It's like radio on demand. There are lots of different apps that can help you do this, and in this course we're going to use the free ABC Listen app. You can use the ABC Listen app to listen to live radio over the internet or download podcasts to listen to later. To start, find the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap on it. The App Store is where you can browse and download approved apps for your Apple device. Some must be purchased using a credit card, but the ABC Listen app is free. Let's search for it now. Tap the magnifying glass icon on the bottom right of the screen to open the search page. Then tap the search bar, which is at the top of this page, to make the keyboard appear. Now, use the keyboard to type in ABC Listen. Look for the search key on the keyboard and tap it. To search for the app, the App Store will show some search results. In this demonstration, the ABC Listen app is the second search result displayed. Tap on the Get button to install the app. A pop-up box will appear, showing the Apple account that's logged into the iPhone. This is the account you'll use to download the app. Tap the Install button. You may be asked to enter the password for your Apple account. After you've entered your password, tap the Sign In button to install the ABC Listen app. Once the ABC Listen app has finished installing, an Open button will appear. You could tap this to start using the ABC Listen app, but for this demonstration, we'll open it from the home screen instead. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to close the App Store and return to the home screen. Now, let's find the ABC Listen app icon. Your iPhone can have several pages of home screens, depending on how many apps you have. If you can't see the ABC Listen app icon on the first home screen, swipe left to see it on the next one. When you've found the app icon, tap it to open the ABC Listen app.